Have you ever noticed how something simple can completely change the look of a room? A plant stand is one of those pieces. It doesn't just hold a plant. It lifts the entire space, adds warmth, and instantly makes a home feel styled and intentional. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're talking about a DIY wooden plant stand that you can build in a single weekend, even as a beginner. And yes, it's one of those projects people are happy to pay for. This project is perfect because it sits right at the intersection of simple, beautiful, and profitable. You don't need a full workshop, fancy machines, or years of experience. With a few basic tools and affordable wood, you can create something that looks high-end and timeless. Minimalist plant stands are always in demand, especially for apartments, small homes, and modern interiors where clean lines matter. The beauty of a wooden plant stand is its versatility. You can make it tall or short, narrow or wide, square or round. Even the most basic design feels intentional when the proportions are right. For legs, a simple top and clean joints are often all it takes. When finished properly, it looks like something you'd find in a boutique home store, not something built in a garage. The build process itself is beginner-friendly. Straight cuts, simple angles, and repeatable steps make this project easy to follow and hard to mess up. Sanding is where the magic starts to happen. As the wood becomes smooth, you can already see the finished piece taking shape. This is where patience pays off. A well-sanded plant stand immediately looks more expensive. Finishing is what transforms a basic build into a sellable product. A natural wood finish highlights grain and warmth. A dark stain creates a modern, dramatic look. A light finish works beautifully for Scandinavian or minimalist styles. Even paint can be used, but neutral tones tend to sell best. The goal is to let the plant stand blend into many different home styles while still feeling handmade. One of the reasons this project is profitable is that materials are inexpensive, but the perceived value is high. A few boards can turn into a piece people are willing to pay good money for because it solves a real problem. It elevates plants off the floor, protects surfaces, and makes indoor greenery feel intentional instead of cluttered. Another advantage is repeatability. Once you build one plant stand, the second one takes less time. By the third or fourth, your process becomes smooth and efficient. This makes it an excellent weekend project if you want to build multiples. Changing height, wood type, or finish allows you to create a small collection without redesigning everything from scratch. Plant stands also photograph beautifully, which is important if you plan to sell online or promote your work. Natural light, a simple plant, and a clean background are all you need to showcase the design. People don't just buy the stand, they buy the lifestyle it represents. Calm, organized, and natural spaces sell extremely well. Beyond profit, this project builds confidence. Completing a functional piece that looks professional is incredibly motivating. It teaches accuracy, sanding discipline, finishing skills, and basic joinery, all while producing something useful. These skills transfer easily to stools, side tables, shelves, and other furniture projects. What makes this project ideal for beginners is that mistakes are forgiving. Small imperfections disappear with sanding and finishing. The structure is simple, yet strong, and every version you build gets better than the last. That progress is what keeps woodworking enjoyable. If you've been looking for a weekend project that feels achievable, satisfying, and potentially profitable, a wooden plant stand checks every box. It's practical, stylish, and endlessly customizable. More importantly, it proves that simple woodworking projects can have real value. If you enjoy easy builds, smart woodworking ideas, and projects that actually make sense, make sure you subscribe to Craft Catalog. Your next successful project might be just one weekend away.